Nothing Phone 2 is the latest phone release these days and is pretty much become a word of mouth and is trending everywhere. When Nothing Phone 1 was launched, that was also trending and became so much popular back then. This time Nothing has come up with the Nothing Phone 2, which is launched on July 11, 2023. It is said that Nothing has sold more than 800,000 copies of it, which has some really cool features. Let's discuss that. First of all, it comes with a 6.7 inches OLED display that is 1080 by 2412 pixels in area. It weighs about 201 grams and has Nothing's operating system, which is based on Android 13. It comes with a storage capacity up to 512 gigabytes with no memory card slot, which is fair enough as we already have so much space. It comes with an 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM option as well. Yeah, this comes with 5G technology. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It has stereo speakers. Also, this doesn't have a headphone jack. Besides that, it has a fingerprint scanner. It also has a 4700 mAh battery that can last up to 18 hours on browsing and over 23 hours when playing videos. It has white and dark grey color options. It has also a USB-C port for charging. Chapter number 2, Camera Specifications. The main camera comes with 50 megapixel camera. The second camera has an ultra wide mode as well. Both cameras are of 50 megapixel. It can shoot video in 4K in 60 fps. The selfie camera comes with a 32 megapixel camera and can shoot video up to 1080p. The unboxing experience. It comes with a unique box which is iconic for Nothing. It opens up with the phone up front. The unboxing experience overall is good. Most of its packaging and your phone's parts are made from paper and not from plastic. It comes with a SIM ejecting pin and USB-C cable for charging. Chapter number 4. Why is Nothing Phone 2 cool? Nothing Phone 2 is cool in many ways, such as Nothing Phone's back clip is so much more than a normal back. You can customize it as you like. You can match the beat of your song.
This will sort of sync up to the rhythm of that track. Pretty cool, right?
To its back. You can use its back as a timer. You can use it to show the audio levels. All these are enabled with Nothing Phone 2. And interesting fact though, Nothing Phone 2 has the same dimensions as for iPhone 14 Pro Max. The bezels, however, are a bit smaller than the iPhone. It has a brightness that is a bit lesser than the iPhone. It has 1600 nits of brightness, just 1400 nits less than the iPhone. When you turn off the phone and you have to guess which one is Nothing or iPhone, you can't guess. It has the same refresh rate as iPhone 14 Pro Max, and also it comes with a price half than that of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, the price is $600, which is pretty reasonable considering the amount of features given. My verdict. Overall, Nothing Phone is a good range option with pricing $600. I think for $600 this is a really good phone. An option of you are looking for a mid-range option that is value for money, then Nothing Phone 2 is for you. If you want to buy Nothing Phone 2, subscribe.